Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Wali Mahendra. I am 16 years old. Today I would like to tell you a story about the ugly duckling. Once upon a time, a duck had some eggs, and one of the eggs didn't hatch with others. When it finally had a big ugly duckling come out, the other duckling looked at him and said, "You are so ugly. You not look like us." The ugly duckling felt sad and lonely. He wandered around the farm meeting different animals, but none of them liked him. Winter came and the ugly duckling was freezing and hungry. One day he saw some beautiful swan hungry. One beautiful swan flying overhead. He was amazed by their beauty and wished he could be like them. As the season changed, the ugly duckling grew bigger and strong when spring came. He spread his stronger when spring came. He spread his wings and flew. He saw reflection in the water in the water and has shocked. He was a beautiful swan. The other swine welcomed him and he finally felt like he belongs.